Most luxury properties in Ayala Alabang are designed for families. This one was engineered for a collection. At 1,172 square meters of floor area, the architectural priority here is scale. We're seeing a seamless integration of Italian and Spanish finishes that maintain a minimalist aesthetic. The floor plan includes a private elevator servicing all levels, ensuring that the transition from the living quarters to the specialized basement is optimized for the owner. The primary asset is a full basement capable of housing 10 to 14 vehicles in a climate-controlled environment. While this specific listing has been retired from the market, the demand for high-capacity subterranean storage in the south remains at a premium. I am currently tracking several off-market listings with similar basement specifications in Ayala Alabang. Contact us for the latest market data and watch this video. We are analyzing a brand new, ultra-luxury residential asset located on a 762 square meter corner lot in Ayala Alabang. The architecture utilizes a bold facade with rich wood accents and clean, linear geometries to maximize curb appeal while maintaining privacy. The outdoor transition features a swimming pool integrated with an independent toilet and bath, framed by tropical landscaping that acts as a natural privacy screen. The site orientation leverages the corner position to provide multiple points of entry, including an automatic gate system and a driveway with a capacity for 4 to 5 additional vehicles. The interior spans a total floor area of 1,172 square meters. The main living area is engineered with soaring ceiling heights and floor-to-ceiling glass panels to optimize natural light penetration. The flooring specification includes imported Italian and Spanish tiles throughout the ground level, transitioning to solid Nara planks for the second floor private quarters. This choice of materials prioritizes long-term durability and high-end aesthetic consistency. The spatial layout is configured to facilitate a seamless flow between the grand dining hall and the living sanctuary, which is further enhanced by strategic mirror placements to expand the visual volume. The defining feature of this residence is the full-service basement, custom engineered to house 10 to 14 vehicles. This subterranean space is ideal for car collectors, providing a secure, climate-controlled environment for an automotive portfolio. To ensure vertical mobility across all levels, from the basement to the private quarters, a private elevator has been installed. Security is managed via a comprehensive smart home system, including smart locks, intercoms, and a 360-degree CCTV network. The second level houses 5 primary bedrooms, each with an ensuite toilet and bath. The master suite is a specialized retreat, featuring a deep soaking tub and a master bath outfitted with Kohler, Grohe, and Bravatt fixtures. The walk-in closet is a bespoke build with integrated LED lighting and a glass-top accessory island for high-value items. For functional flexibility, the property includes an office den on the ground floor that is fully convertible into a 6th bedroom if required. The property features a dual kitchen configuration, a high-specification main kitchen, and a secondary service kitchen. The main kitchen is equipped with a massive stone-clad island, designer cabinetry, and built-in professional-grade appliances, including a dedicated wine chiller. Logistically, the service wing is well integrated, featuring large accommodations for domestic staff and drivers, including a dedicated lounge area. This ensures that high-capacity hosting can be managed without interrupting the primary living spaces. While this specific property has been successfully moved, we are currently analyzing similar high-capacity listings in Ayala Alabang. Contact us if you would like to see similar listings. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.